Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at how to maintain your Windows 11 performance, using the official Microsoft PC Manager tool. Specifically, we'll delve into the health check feature. This goes beyond just clearing temporary files. It helps you manage startup apps, clean up usage traces, and ensure your system settings are optimized for the best experience. If you do not have the application installed yet, I have already made a dedicated video showing you exactly how to download and install it from the official source. I will leave the link to that video in the description below so you can catch up before we start. Okay, to open the application, type PC Manager in the search box on the taskbar and click on it from the search results to open it. Once you open the application, most users click the boost button. It's a great speed boost feature because it instantly clears your RAM and deletes those nagging temporary files. But if you want a deeper look at your overall system health, you'll find the Health Check option in the Home tab. Once you click Health Check, the application starts working. It opens a dedicated scan window and immediately begins analyzing your system. You don't need to click anything else now, just let it run. The application is currently scanning everything. When this scan begins, you'll notice it goes through several vital parts of your system. The first section scanned is PC information, where the application performs a quick inventory of your basic hardware configurations and Windows operating system version, ensuring that the cleanup recommendations are tailored to your system specifications. Once the basic data collection is complete, a check mark will appear next to the scanned items, and the application will move on to the next scan. Next, the network check will perform a scan. This scan verifies the basic network settings and their status. It doesn't diagnose the router itself, but rather examines the network architecture on your computer to ensure there are no obstacles in the operating system that might impede data flow. Once the network settings are confirmed to be correct, the scan completes, a checkmark appears, and the application moves on to the next scan. This is the space cleanup scan. PC Manager scans your hard drive for Windows upgrade logs, cache, and temporary system files that are often overlooked by the default boost button. This scan looks for files that consume a significant amount of storage space. As usual, once it's finished, a checkmark appears, and a new scan begins. The app then performs Smart Cleanup, a very intelligent feature that searches for unnecessary files and cached data, which can then be automatically deleted. This focuses on maintaining a balance between system speed and available storage space without requiring manual intervention. Next, it moves to startup items. This is one of the most important parts of the scan for anyone dealing with a slow boot up. The app identifies every program that tries to launch the moment you turn on your computer. By scanning these, it gives us the chance to see exactly what is secretly eating up your resources in the background. Then, it checks for app uninstall recommendations. This scan is looking for those ghost applications programs you rarely use or that might be taking up significant space without providing any value. It highlights these so you can decide if it's finally time to get rid of them and reclaim your disk space. The application will also perform several other vital checks. In the background, it will look at restoring default settings, checking for usage traces, and several other system-level optimizations to ensure everything is aligned with Microsoft's recommended performance standards. Once all checks are complete, the scan is finished, and the app will display a final summary and begin the actual optimization process. This is the main dashboard that displays everything the application has discovered. As you can see, it breaks everything down into clear categories, like space that can be freed up, network issues, and startup recommendations. You can select all these issues to address at once by clicking the Optimize Now button. The app will then perform all the tasks you've outlined in the summary below. In a single operation, it will immediately clear temporary files, apply recommended network fixes, modify startup items, and erase usage traces all in one go. This saves a tremendous amount of time, eliminating all the manual maintenance we previously performed, and completing it in just a few seconds. Scroll down, and you'll find the PC Health Check report. This is a great visual map that accurately summarizes what the program found in your entire system. It serves as a final confirmation of your computer's condition. Before you make any changes, you'll find items categorized as one-click fix for easy repairs, can be cleaned up to free up storage space, or suggestions for optimizing system settings and startup applications. It even highlights some items as dangerous, which usually indicate usage traces or privacy data that you might want to delete to stay safe. It's a transparent way for Microsoft to show you exactly where your PC's performance can be improved before the process is complete. Scrolling down, you'll find the PC information section. I really like how Microsoft designed this. It displays your computer's core specifications in a very clean and organized grid. At a glance, you can see details about the processor, motherboard type, memory capacity, graphics card and storage information, network adapters, and sound cards. While this isn't part of the cleanup process itself, compiling all your computer's specifications into a single, professional layout is a great feature that enhances the tool's overall usefulness. Just below that, we find the network check section. This is specifically designed to evaluate your connection speed and look for any underlying issues that might be preventing your PC from accessing the internet smoothly. You'll notice that the tool has identified a specific issue in your web proxy settings and labeled it as abnormal. This is precisely why checking the status is important. It reveals technical problems that might not always be obvious. You can simply click the repair button on the right, and the application will automatically attempt to restore the correct settings, thus quickly fixing the problems. Next, we reach the space check section. This is where the tool breaks down exactly where your storage is being wasted. It categorizes files into system items, like thumbnail caches, and temporary internet files, as well as application-specific junk, like Chrome and Firefox caches. You can see the exact size for each category, and with a quick click of the Clean button, you can reclaim that space immediately. After that, you will find the Smart Boost feature. This is a highly recommended setting to turn on. It allows the application to handle useless data and memory optimization automatically. In the background, it's designed to reduce the current burden on your hard drive and RAM without you having to manually run a scan every time. In the App Check area, the tool provides an app usage overview. It analyzes which applications you use most and how long they stay active. By turning this on, you get a better understanding of your own habits, which helps the tool give you more accurate recommendations on which apps might be draining your resources unnecessarily. In the Startup Items section, you'll find a tool that accurately shows you how long your computer last started and suggests items that can be disabled to speed things up. It also provides a clear option to disable background services, which directly improves your computer's startup speed. Next is App Uninstall. This is incredibly helpful for decluttering. The tool identifies apps you haven't used in a long time, some for over 60 or even 90 days. Instead of hunting through your settings to find them, you can see their size and how long they've been sitting idle right here, and uninstall them with one click to free up significant disk space. We then have the security check, specifically the usage trace cleanup. This scans for traces left behind by your system and browsers like Edge and Chrome. Cleaning these is about more than just space, it's about privacy. It wipes away the digital footprints of your activity to protect your data security and keep your system's performance lean. Finally, at the bottom we have pop-up management and usage advice, which helps block annoying pop-up ads and suggests restoring recommended Windows settings, such as taskbar layout, to keep your system stable and protected. My goal in showing you every detail of this report was to give you a clear understanding of just how deep the PC health feature goes. You have the flexibility to go through and fix each issue one by one if you want total control. However, for most of you, the easiest way is to simply scroll back to the top and click that Optimize Now button. With that one click, the application takes care of everything we just discussed, cleaning your system and tuning your performance in seconds. This application is truly a must-have for any Windows 11 user. It provides a level of official, safe optimization that we haven't seen before, making it easier than ever to keep your machine running at its peak without risking your system files. If you liked the video, click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check the video description for the installation guide if you need it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.